Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the strobe lights video transition effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to the part here before the slow motion happens, and I'm just going to split that. And then here I'm just going to zoom in like around this part here. So add a keyframe here and zoom in just a little bit. And then at the beginning, I'm just going to double tap on scale. And then as well as at the end, I'm just going to double tap on scale again so that it goes back to the original scale. Right click, show keyframe animation, and then on the last keyframe, select graphs and select the ease out 3 graphs, or you can just select whichever, and then you are going to go to animation, and you're going to add in a fade out video animation here, like around this part. And then I'm just going to go to effects, search for strobe, select it, and add it to the video. You can also adjust the speed here if you'd like to. Okay, and then on the second video, I'm just going to go to filters. I'm going to add in a black and white filter, adjust the strength a little bit. I'm also going to go to adjustments to turn down the brightness and up the contrast. And then I'm also going to add in the same strobe effect on it, and I'm just going to set it at 100. It's okay. Let me just adjust the filter a little bit. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!